Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to memorize the Quran proficiently? Do you dream of reciting the Quran beautifully? Do you wish to become fluent in Arabic? Or are you concerned about the Islamic education of your children? Are you struggling with the time or resources to send your children to an Islamic school or local mosque? Help is here. Introducing eOnlineTutoring.com Academy, the #1 trusted online academy for Muslim kids and adults, both men and women. We offer life-changing Islamic education programs that guide you, bring happiness, and put you on the righteous path, all with high quality and affordable fees. Here at E Online Tutoring, we offer a wide range of courses for everyone. Quran memorization and recitation, Arabic language courses, Islamic studies courses, Tajweed and Ijaza courses. With E Online Tutoring Academy, you get free trial classes, one-on-one online tutoring, qualified male and female native Arabic tutors, courses and study plans created by the best of the best, plus you'll receive regular progress reports, completion certificates, and secure, easy payment methods, all with a flexible 24/7 schedule. No matter where you are in the world, book your free trial today, and we'll provide an initial evaluation report and course recommendations. Join thousands of Muslim families who love learning the Quran, Arabic, and Islamic studies from the comfort of their own homes. E Online Tutoring Academy, your trusted partner in Islamic education. Book your free trial now.